JJ, word is that Luka got the entire team a Christmas gift. Is that accurate?
Yeah. Yep. He got everybody in basketball ops. I think it was 103 total gifts. It's a very, very high-end e-bike. So I'll be excited to drive that down to the beach. Looking forward to it. Very nice gesture from him. The guys all really, really enjoyed it.
That seems like it seems like he's, right when he got here, right? He had the donations. It seems like kind of part of his thing, just the generosity.
Yeah, I mean, we saw that last year with the way he responded, even basically a month after the fires, to give it back. It's just who he is. I mean, he's cognizant of the platform and sort of place that he has within each community that he's been in, and LA has been no different, and this team has been no different. The Porsche driving experience that he did with his teammates earlier in the year, just stuff like that. It's been awesome.
You said it's an e-bike, right?
Like an electronic bike. Yeah.
Just making sure that's perfect for you in your current state of your knee right now.
Yeah, it's the pedal model 65 X5.
Well, that does sound very nice. That sounds very nice.